In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add personalization in Zoho CRM. We'll be focusing on using merge tags inside your templates so that your emails and other communications feel tailored to each person without you having to type everything manually every time. First, start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon, which represents the settings area. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open your CRM settings. This is where you control most of the behind-the-scenes configuration, including your templates. In the settings menu that appears, you'll notice different sections grouped by function. Look for the section labeled Customization. It's usually one of the main headings near the top of the list. Click on Customization to expand those options. This is where you can adjust how Zoho looks and behaves for your organization. Within Customization, find and click on Templates. This is the central place where you manage all the different types of templates that can use personalization. After you click Templates, you'll see options to work with email templates, mail merge templates, and inventory templates. Choose the type that matches what you're trying to customize. For example, if you're creating a follow-up email for leads, choose Email Templates. If you're generating documents like proposals or contracts, you might be working with mail merge templates. Inventory templates are more focused on things like quotes and invoices. Once you're inside the editor for the template you want to personalize, you can start adding merge tags. In the body of the template, place your cursor where you want personalized information to appear. Then type the pound symbol, or hash, which is the character that looks like this, $. As soon as you type that symbol, Zoho will open the Merge Tag menu. In that menu, you can search for the field you want to insert, such as first name. Click on the field, and Zoho will drop a merge tag into your template. When the template is used, that tag will automatically pull in each person's actual information from the CRM. You can also click on the merge tag itself to set a default value. This is really helpful for situations where a field might be blank. For example, if the first name field is empty, you can have it display something like valued customer instead, so your message still reads naturally. When you're happy with your personalization, click Save. Give your template a clear, descriptive name and choose the folder where you want it stored so you and your team can easily find it later.